Okay, so here's a view of the extension in progress. We can have a look here and see the extent of it. Basically you can see we're at the stage where they've excavated the bits of garden and built the walls of the extension, and they're starting on the roof now. If we just walk down here and cross the right of way here and then down onto the first level of the shaped area, so you can see we've got an area here of about 16 square metres or thereabouts, which is kind of the upper patio, I guess. And we go down to the next one, and we have a similar about 16 square metres in here as well, which will all end up being paved and the walls rendered in, so that we can have a nice couple of areas with, you know, tables, chairs, barbecues, etc. And then obviously, you know, you can keep heading back up into the garden. You can see the back fence up there with the sheds behind it. And if we have a look at the extension itself, there's obviously the large aperture here, which is going to be for the French doors, which will be of a concertina style. We're still working out whether 3 doors that concertina up or 2 pair of doors will be the better way to go. You can see the roof line here taking shape, and as per all the drawings and diagrams. You can see in the middle we've got a drain, a waste been put in here. We asked for it in the middle of the floor there because this back section of the extension is going to be the kitchen, and we want to centrally locate the sink in an island in the middle, as well as the dishwasher and probably the washing machine as well. You can see the existing back wall here. Obviously, once the roof is on and the back section of this is secure, we will then break through that back wall. And if you just look here where this cross beam is sitting, this section above it is where the roof light is going to be placed, which is a conservation style roof light to allow light into this part of the building. And we'll have a normal heighted ceiling running at the top of the wall height there. The idea is that once you step inside the French doors on both sides, the kitchen will go into that corner and then along this wall for the length of about 3 metres, which is about where that trestle is and the dog is just walking to. And then on the other side, exactly the same idea. The kitchen will go into that corner there and then along that wall for the same 3 metres. And then in the middle we'll have a large island that will involve the sink and the dishwasher, as well as space for some benches and you know, people will be able to sit at the island as well. That's about it. Oh, just to give you a look here, this is the idea behind the insulation that's now mandatory in the United Kingdom. They upped the width of the mandatory insulation 12 months ago or something, so we'll benefit from that. And apart from that, I'll update it again further when we've had a bit more progress, but basically that gives you an idea of where we're at this stage, and it's all taking shape.